Once upon a time, there lived a husband and wife in a village. They were alone because they didn't have children. One day, on a sunny day, the farmer went to the field excitedly and he sings, "The work, the work, the work, ha 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 ha. The work, the work, the work, ha 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 ha." But on the way, he stopped because he heard a sound. Shrek, shrek, shrek. The farmer was silent. What sound is that? He scanned his surroundings for the sound. Step by step, he stepped carefully, following closer the sounds, which grew louder and seemed to come from behind the bushes. Opening the bushes revealed a lion cub, lying limp and almost lifeless. Instantly, his heart was filled with compassion as he gently stroked the lion cub's fur. Without hesitation, the farmer carefully picked up the lion cub and took him home. When he got home, the farmer called his wife. "My wife, my wife." His wife, who was washing the dishes, immediately approached her husband. "Yes, my husband, what happened?" Her husband showed the lion cubs. His wife was shocked. Her husband explained that he found this lion cub on the road to the field. He was limp and almost lifeless. His wife was afraid because a lion would grow up to a wild animal. But seeing the lion's cub face, which was very worrying, his wife agreed to take care of him. Day by day, the lion cub became healthy and grew strong. The farmer and his wife takes care of him. A lion that has grown up has a strong and have a big body. One day, there was happy news. His wife is pregnant. In short, a baby was born into the world. The baby was a boy. "My son lion, my son lion. Now you have a new brother, so you have to take care of him when I and your mother leave you both, okay?" The husband and wife really believed in the lion. They also left their child with the lion to walk in the garden beside their house. But a few hours later, the baby cried very loudly, and the wife and husband heard. With great anxiety, the husband rushed into the house, his voice trembling with fear. As he stared further inside, his eyes saw blood all over the floor. Without hesitation, he immediately accused the lion of having eaten his baby. Controlled by anger and quickly, he swung the machetes, cut the lion's neck, and immediately went indoors to check on the cub. However, his heart was broken when he saw unexpected sights beside the baby. Lay a dead snake. The husband shocked and full of surprise. The husband became silent. His step heavy as he approached the lifeless lion. He hugged the bloody creature. His voice choked with regret. With great hope, the husband hoped that the lion would come back to life. But the rest had become porridge, and the lion remained lifeless in his hand. Feeling disappointed with themselves, and now they live out their days, just the three of them. So, the moral message from my story is, don't act before you know the truth, because what we see is not necessarily true. That's all from me. Thank you and see you.